Hi everyone, Cherie Rose from Yours Truly by Rose. It is a rainy Valentine's Day here in 2023. It is pouring at my house. I'm in the Midwest and it decided to be a very rainy, gloomy day today. And I wanted to share a wonderful tool with you all that has changed my life. I have been using this tool for many, many years and I am still loving it. I'm still using it almost every single day for my personal life, as well as my business and my event planning business. So let me introduce you to a wonderful, wonderful program that is also free, Airtable. All right, so let's talk about Airtable. Again, this is a free program and it will automatically pull my information up since I am already logged in. I have two different accounts under two different emails, one of them being for my work, my full-time event planning work, and then also the second one is my personal one, which you can see is what I have right here. So here we have the business part, which is my personal or my crochet business, Yours Truly by Rose. And again, this is all free and it's really, really fun. I had a call for testers last week. So that is where you can apply and that sort of thing and create it. My product catalog is here. I've got my YouTube operations, like what I want to do, accomplish, and that sort of thing. I've got my coaching calendar, email marketing. And then the one that I really want to focus on today is my WIPs base. So this WIPs base, this is the three things that I'm currently working on right now. I have a knit mini scarf that you all have seen previously in episode 1 of my day in my craft life. And it has the progress here. I update it as much as I can. I take photos and I immediately upload it in here so people can see. Then I have my initial Tunisian crochet or simple stitch crochet bookmark. I'm almost done with that. I have actually, what I'm doing, the initial part is it's YTBR for Yours Truly by Rose. So I am just now starting the bottom part of the Y because I work from the bottom up. So I'm excited to share that with you on Instagram and on Facebook as well. A little later, maybe even today, maybe tomorrow, we'll see. And then I'm also writing a pattern for a Knit Cake Coosie, and I call it Knot Knit because it is crochet, but it looks kind of like knitting, which is really kind of fun with the purl and the knit stitch here. So why did I share this with you? Well, there are different things out there, as you can, as you know. Let's see, we can go to Ravelry. Ravelry is a good program. It's a good place to interact with other knitters and crocheters and to kind of have your whole group of people and things that you want to have. So I like this program. It's good. But unfortunately with my stuff, it's not. Uh-oh, my battery is going to die. Let me plug in my battery. So in Ravelry, you can upload, your projects, the things you're working on. But the problem is it's not very mobile friendly. And I am on my phone all the time for projects, especially if I'm sitting like on the couch working on things. So in order to do this, you have to go online on your laptop or your desktop and update it there, which is fine. It's just not practical for me. So I still put things up here. I just don't put as many things up here as I would like to, just because I just don't. It's not as user friendly. So when I go back to Airtable and I go into WIPs, all of this is also accessible on my phone. So there's a free app that you can download as well. It is super easy to use, in my opinion, and it's so easy to update. So I have over here a list of the views. So this is like all my projects. These are all the projects that I've ever done. Obviously, you can see the ones that all say done. You've got a start date marked as complete. I have notes in here on what they are, the patterns, if I'm making it for myself or recording it for future patterns to be released. And then you have things here that's like to-do list or in progress. And then down here at the bottom, shipped and delivered, frogs, so things that I just didn't fall in love with, wish list, and hibernating. So I also have it broken down here. So WIP's wish list. So I have a sock pattern I've already written, or I've completed the pattern. I'm still working on writing it, but I'm not updated yet on how to do that or whatever. So we'll see. Hold on one second. Hi.
Hey, hon.
So anyway, so I have this sock pattern here that I am working on, and you can click on this to actually open it up, and it'll just give you the basic information here. So the best thing about Airtable is how quickly this updates. Okay, so what I'm going to do here, you've got current WIPs, which is right here, right? And you can hover over them and it'll go to all the pictures. You can click on it and then it goes down to the pictures that I have currently in progress. And then I have, you know, my bookmark, which I've actually updated. I need to put a new one in there. Yeah, so, you know, it's really, really fun. I really enjoy this. So the best part, and I'm going to go to my website. This is the best part. So here's my website, and go down here past my shop. There's my call for testers, my coaching sessions. Whoa, that is really big. I did not expect that. Okay, so here is my WIPs section. So this is just the picture that I have on here that will tell you that this is my section for my WIPs. So thank you, next. What am I working on right now? New products, things for me, click and see. So when I click on this, it will automatically direct me or redirect me to the live current projects page, but let's say I want to update this one. So I don't have the pictures on here. So I'm going to get on my phone and update it this way. So it looks the exact same. There's the, I hope you can see that, but there's the part for that. I'm going to click on WIPs, and then I'm going to update a picture of, I'm literally taking the picture right now. That's the other thing too. I can take the picture. They have camera option, camera, photos, and more. You click on camera and it'll automatically populate or at least pull up your camera. And then I can actually take the picture right now. It's not the best. Let me retake it because that's the other thing that I like about it. I can retake it and better. Okay, so I'm going to use this photo. So I'm going to click on this and you will see here shortly, it will actually populate a new photo. On this, I want to rearrange this. So this is the new version because I did it like that. I didn't like it. So I moved it here. So this is the latest one. I literally just took this picture. So now this one is at the top. So this one is the first one that you see. Okay. So now if I go back to my Airtable here, okay, so if I click out of that and then I go back to on my desk, you will see it automatically populated. So this is brand new. You click on it and this is all the information that you can see. So it actually shows that this was updated. There's the timestamp right there. And this is as up to date as you possibly can. Now, why do I need this on my website? Honestly, it's all for you. So how you think it's fun, or if you think it's fun to see what I'm working on, maybe there's patterns that you're like, pattern testing on that. That looks interesting. I might want to email her or message me or go back and look or go to my website and apply to be a tester. Anyway, so, but you can go here and see all the fun things that I have. So just a brief summary of other things you can do with Airtable. So another thing that I have on here is my hibernating whips. These are things that I have worked on, but I'm not necessarily working on right now. I like having bigger projects for like the winter, or things that I want to work on that, you know, are easy to work on the couch. And these are all that will be coming down the pike. So for instance, this one, I need to finish writing it and it will be ready to go. Which I am so in love with how these bookmarks turned out. I've got a couple more that I'm going to make. I will be selling the bookmarks as well as selling the pattern as well. So I've got all these other ones here that I will be updating and working on eventually. But right now I have progress. So I can show you every single thing about these and I will know, okay, so this one's for me. This is the date that I started it. It's currently hibernating, but it'll go, if you go down here, it'll tell me the hook that I'm using, which is also very important. So you know which size hook you need. And then any pattern, but because this is a written pattern or whatever, not from me. That's why there's no pattern there because it's all in that book. This one, however, is also a pattern that is not from me, but it is a hybrid. So it's a cross stitch pattern that I'm making into a wall hanging. And you can see I'm using Tunisian simple stitch because it's just so much fun. And there you go. There's the stitch and then the hook as well. So those are just a few things that I have in my hibernating wish list. So I have on my desk, this is another view for the current, what you can see. You can see like how everything works on the different projects that I have going on. If you would like any help or if you want any advice on what to use Airtable for, I am happy to set up a coaching call with you so you can see what it is and how beneficial this program is for anyone, even personal stuff, not just crochet or knitting, but in general, just fun to have in your back pocket, literally, especially when it's on your phone, to use. So I hope this helped you understand a little bit about Airtable, but also about how amazing this program is, not only for me, but for my people who follow me on YouTube, for people who follow me or just have my website. I can link all of those information there. And again, it's a free program. So there is a pro account that you can sign up for if you want. I haven't yet, but that doesn't mean that I won't in the future. So I will link all of this information, my contact information, plus how to sign up for Airtable, all below. Feel free to click those links. And yeah, it's amazing. So thank you again so much for taking the time to watch the video about Airtable. Again, very, very short tutorial on this amazing program, but please let me know if you have any questions, comments, concerns, hopes, dreams, fears about this program. And again, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.